So hello and welcome back, and today we're gonna take out the center console from this MK4 Ford Focus. It is an ST line, and as you can see here, this really nice red stitching and leather, so it's a nice car. It got a little bit dirty because it's sitting here without the doors for some time now, but yeah, so basically for me it's much more easier when I take out without the seats, when I take out the seats first. But yeah, for somebody that's gonna change, redo something, best is just to start from this here. So as you can see here, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see, but it's on 7, I believe it's a 7, so you will need a 7 for this one. This is 6, I have here 10, so I believe it's on 7, maybe 8. Let's try now. For sure it's a 7. So you need to take these from each side. After you take from this side and the other side, then it's holding on few. So it's a 7. Let me show you here. So you unscrew it, and then it gets loose like this. So once you have this, you need to do this on the other side. But before you pull it, you should probably take out the gear knob, and it's easy, just goes on the left side. So you unscrew it like this, so on the left side. Then you should probably use plastic tool, and probably somewhere on the side like this, and unclip it. So let me see. So we took out that side, maybe this other side over here. You should probably use the plastic. I sometimes use a screwdriver, but that can make a lot of problems. So yeah, after you unclip this, you take it out. There's some electricity underneath that's holding it. I don't know if you're gonna see. Let me unplug it. So from the inner side, there is clip from the inner side to unplug the electricity. I hope you can see from this side, and other side should be another one. Again, probably, yeah, from the inner side. Yeah, so once you took that out, you can come to this. So these are now just clips. So once you take out the clips, you should be able to get to the sides. So basically just pull. Maybe use the plastic again if you're kind of scared, but you should not be. You can just check out here. So that one is holding everything in place right now. So we did unclip here, and all went out. It's kind of not much space inside of it. So as you can see here, the clips that are there is many clips that are holding it in place, and the screw. So the screw is most important thing. After that you need to take out this part over here, and there is one screw over here, and once you move here, there is another screw. Oh, I don't know if you're gonna see that one. I'm not really sure if you're gonna see that one. So there is another one over here, just right here. So it's, I believe this one is a Torx. This is a 10 for sure, must be 10. Yeah, so this is 10, and this one is a Torx 25 maybe. So let's unscrew that other side and move on with the things that we need to remove. You should probably need to remove this one. Holding it, it's 25 Torx, I believe, or 27, so 25, and it's just that one. So one on this side and probably one on the other side. So let me unscrew this. So on the other side I didn't find any screw. Only thing that is holding is here. So you should unplug that one outside, and probably just clips. Right now I'm not really sure, but I believe it's just clips on this side. I don't know if you're gonna see. Let me try a little bit lightning. So there are no screws over here, just clips. So let me take out the clips and then we show where the clips are. So there is one here. There are a few of those, and this one is that one that is holding over here. So that's the the biggest challenge of these. Now these Torx 25 on two sides. I don't know if you're gonna see. So one side here, one side over here. Take those out. So I did unscrew it, and what's holding it? Nothing, I believe nothing. So yeah, that's only electricity, but let's see what we have here. Should be 2 plugs or 3. So this is here for the lightning, and yeah, this getting smaller and smaller. So let me take it out, then I show you which one and where. There are few more than I expected. So we have this one from the back. So this side click. We have 2 USBs, but these are kind of easy. You just need to click over here, this one, that one, and last but the strongest one is this for charger, and this one is kind of badass. So yeah, so this one you need to click like here. So I believe that should be all. Rest is just like unplug. So there was another one, and that's the antenna one. So cover antenna for this is used for key. So when you have the start stop button, then you have these. So that's for those. There is another 2 screws that you need to take out, so, and these I believe are 10, but we can check a little bit. But usually these are like 10s most of the time. So let me find my, where is my 10 here? Oh yes, let's see. Yeah, it's a 10. So I'm gonna unscrew these 2. And I'm gonna unscrew these 2 on the back, on the side of the. So this one and these 2, and should be another one on the other side. But let me show you. Let me see. Yeah, there is another one. So those 4 are 10s. We're gonna unscrew those. So I took out that one 10 and these 2, There is some cables over here that you need. These are antennas and stuff, so that's something you need to take out. That one, there is big here, that's two, and I believe there is another one on the other side, but that's not that much important. The biggest problem right now is, I believe, there is some screws, but you will not be able to see it. There should be here a screw over here, so you need to take out this back side, and that's something that it's not really easy to show, but I will try my best. So I will try my best to show you. So here, that's 110 and one on other side. So after you take that one, you take that one and you take the other one out, then let me take it out. So you take those two out. So this one, so this one, and other one is on the other side, same side. You can basically just pull all of this out after that. So after removing those two, just take from the back side, and here you can see how easy it is to come out. I will pull this here at the back and then I'll show you. So I believe there is another electricity on this side. Yeah, this one. So that one, I believe that's, or it should be the last, or maybe not, or maybe not. So let's try now. There is still one. Let me see. So that one, or this one, yeah, this one. So this one is holding it, this big one. Let me show you this. So that's the big one that you need to take out. It's easier when, let me take it out first. So once you take that one, I believe now that, yeah, so this is it. So you just need to take it out. You just need to take it out. And now for that request, the airbag, how it's called, the airbag one for the module, airbag module is just underneath of this. So if you need to replace that one, so these are the electricity for it. So you need to unscrew a few bolts underneath and unplug this one. You can, or you don't need, but to get to the USB, the airbag module, that's the way. Unfortunately, it's a hard one. So yeah. So I hope this helped. Maybe I make another one when I have better lighting, but as you can see here, we have successfully taken this apart. So yeah, not many bolts holding it in place, so it's not that really hard. not really hard job, not too much work, but you need to be careful, because yeah, you don't want to break anything. For me it's kind of different, because even if I break it, okay, it's not that big of a deal. So thank you for watching. I hope I helped. Don't forget, subscribe, comment, like and follow, and see you in the next one. So till next one.